For decades, we were told that eggs are a danger to our hearts. But modern molecular science is finally revealing a different truth. What actually happens when you eat 4 eggs every single day? Is it a recipe for high cholesterol or the ultimate longevity hack? The answer lies in a compound called choline, and most of us are starving for it. Today, we break down the 6-minute biology of the perfect protein. First, let's talk about your brain. Your gray matter is built on fat. 4 eggs provide 100% of your daily choline, the fuel for memory. Without it, your brain literally struggles to communicate with itself. But at 4 eggs a day, your focus becomes a biological superpower. Beyond the brain, 4 eggs a day act as an internal shield for your eyes. They are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, the sunscreen for your retina. These antioxidants filter out harmful blue light from your screens. By eating 4 daily, you significantly lower the risk of macular degeneration. But the real magic happens in your muscles during sleep. Eggs have a biological value of 100, the gold standard for protein. 4 eggs provide 24 grams of the most bioavailable amino acids on Earth. LOO-seen, the anabolic trigger, signals your body to build and repair. This isn't just for bodybuilders, it's for anyone fighting age-related muscle loss. But wait, what about the cholesterol? Let's look at the liver. Your liver actually produces 70% of the cholesterol in your blood. When you eat eggs, your liver simply produces less to compensate. The truth is that eggs primarily raise your HDL, the good cholesterol. HDL acts as a vacuum cleaner, scrubbing your arteries clean. 4 eggs a day can actually improve your cholesterol profile, not ruin it. However, how you cook them changes everything at a molecular level. High heat oxidizes the fats, turning a superfood into a toxin. The secret to 4 eggs a day is low-temperature cooking. This preserves the delicate lecithin that protects your heart. But there is one specific group of people who should never do this: the hormone optimizer. Why do 4 eggs help you feel more energetic and balanced? Cholesterol is the literal mother hormone for testosterone and estrogen. By providing the raw materials, eggs help optimize your natural production. For men, this means better muscle retention and libido. For women, it supports metabolic health and skin elasticity. And then there's vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, hidden in the yolk. 4 eggs can provide up to 40% of your daily vitamin D requirement. In the US, 42% of adults are deficient, leading to low mood. Eating eggs is like swallowing a piece of sunlight every morning. This direct boost to your vitamin D improves immune resilience. The metabolic fire. Want to lose weight without feeling hungry? Eggs are the secret. They have a high satiety index, keeping you full for hours. 4 eggs for breakfast reduces your calorie intake for the next 36 hours. This is due to the perfect balance of healthy fats and high-quality protein. But remember that warning I mentioned earlier. If you have a genetic condition called familial hypercholesterolemia, your body cannot process dietary cholesterol the same way. For this 1% of the population, 4 eggs a day could be dangerous. Always consult your blood work to see if you are a hyper-responder. Now, let's look at the final, most shocking benefit: heart health. The heart reveal and verdict. It sounds counterintuitive, But eggs can actually strengthen your heart. They contain betaine, which lowers homocysteine, a toxic amino acid. High homocysteine is a secret driver of heart disease and strokes. By neutralizing it, 4 eggs act as a daily dose of cardiovascular protection. So, 4 eggs a day? Is it the truth? For most people, it is a superfood. You will see sharper focus, stronger muscles, and better metabolic health. If you found this deep dive into human biology helpful, join our channel. We release new molecular breakdowns every week to help you live longer. Now that your protein is sorted, what about your energy levels? Click here to see our video on the biology of longevity, 7 foods to reverse aging faster, next.